to D4G here, banging out another video. Hey, you know what it is, man. It's First Impression Friday. I got two new fragrances in, and we're gonna talk about them, man. Guerlain L'Homme Ideal Eau de Parfum and Gucci Guilty Pour Homme Cologne. Let's tap into it. Now, both of these are gonna be compliments of my guy Danny's birthday present. Shout out to my guy for the early birthday love. I appreciate it. So, y'all know what we do with the boxes.
Trash.
But not a bad packaging, man. So this is the newer setup of the Guerlain. So this is the Guerlain L'Homme and this is the Guerlain Homme. Now the Guerlain Homme, this is my office. This is it, bro. This is fire. This one, I don't know, man. So we about to tap in and see what it is. Y'all know your boy excited about this, man. Getting some Guerlain in to try. Okay, now this one is oh shit, them smells already. Okay, this is different off rip. Yeah, you can pick up a lot already, fam. I'm getting like a nice fruity accord, like a cherry, very nice cherry fruit accord in there. It also has like that almondy creaminess that I be telling y'all about, that almond sweetness. This has a very nice almond sweetness about it, but it is a nice cherry filled almond sweetness. Definitely has some spices in here as well. This is not a bad fragrance, but this is not a mass appeal fragrance. I can't see a lot of my fellas just rocking with this, more so because of that cherry note. I think if it didn't have the cherry and just the almond, maybe that'll do something nice. But right now, that cherry, it's almost giving me like, I can tell you right now, that cherry note is reminding me a lot of Paris Corner When Soul Gets High. And this is their version of, I think, Black Phantom. So you know it has that cherry note in there. So I'm saying that to say, if you don't like When Soul Gets High or Black Phantom because of that cherry note, it is very similar to the cherry note that you're gonna get in Guerlain L'Homme Ideal. So I don't know, man, maybe you might not need to get this one, but if that cherry note isn't too bad for you, then this was a good one. And already as it's been sitting here, that cherry note is starting to dry away a little bit, and other features of the fragrance is starting to come out. And with that cherry going away, now I'm starting to pick up a little bit more of the lavender that this fragrance has in it. So now it's going to more of like that almond, because it's still maintaining that almond. Has a little bit of a spiciness about it, not overly spicy, it's not too much. Mixed with a very nice lavender, fam. I'm rocking with this one. I'm gonna let this one dry down for a little bit, and we're gonna dip on over to Gucci Guilty Cologne Pour Homme. Yeah, we're gonna see what this one hitting on right here. Now this one, oh my lord. Hold on now, hey, hold on now, do something for me now. Hey, I like this. I don't know why.
Trash.
I don't know why I like this so much more than, like, this is a very nice setup. I don't know if it's the G's, the see-through glass, but this presentation, I'm rocking with the simplicity of this setup. Man, do y'all see that? Like, even though this is a full bottle, like brand new bottle, y'all sell me rip the shit off. Why it ain't full all the way? Anyway, I just thought I'd point that out. But let's go ahead and tap into the fragrance. Same thing. Spray it up, get it up out of there. I'm telling y'all, y'all gotta do that with all. It's not bad. Some of the spray ended up getting in my mouth as I was talking, so that ain't the best part. But it does smell very nice, fam. I'm already picking up the cypress off rip, and you know your boy like that airiness, aromatic feel that you pick up from cypress. I am a big fan of that. All right, let's get into it. It does have a slight synthetic feel, nothing too crazy, but it was slightly synthetic compared to the Guerlain. A little bit of this berry type of sweetness, juniper berry type of sweetness. That could be rosemary that I'm picking up. It still has a cypress in there, but it's very fresh in that opening, and it's coming off almost like a rosemary aromatic type of smell. It's very nice, fam. A very faint citrus, not too much. The citrus is very faint in this, so don't think of too much citrus. Just think of a lot of aromatics. Like I said, rosemary, some cypress. I can tell you right now that rosemary is a huge player in this opening. And it's nice, man. It's nice the way it's mixing together with the berries, how it's mixing together with the cypress. Now I can tell you off rip, this is gonna be a daytime fragrance. Work, casual, but definitely something to where you want to stick towards the day with this one. And this one's smelling like a spring, summertime fragrance. Hot weather, definitely hot weather. With me being in Texas, maybe even fall, but winter, cold months, extremely cold. Nah, this ain't gonna work for that. Yeah, I'm rocking with the Gucci. I'm rocking with the Gucci cologne. The Gucci cologne is a very nice touch, fam. Now let's go back to this Guerlain and so let's see what the Guerlain is switched over and changed into. Okay, so the Guerlain is changing in a way. It's changing to whereas in the opening we were getting some cherry, we were getting some almond, a little bit of spices, a nice lavender as it's transitioning to the mid. Right now I'm getting something completely different though. I'm getting something that's moving towards the line of like a earthy leather rose type of fragrance. Now that cherry is still there, but it's very faint. The rosemary in this fragrance is starting to project a little bit more. It's starting to come out and showcase itself and starting to mix together with the other notes. Mainly the lavender and the cherry. Right now I'm picking up a good cherry, lavender, rosemary type of fragrance. This is nice, man. I'm rocking with both of these. Both of these are hitters. Now the winner out of the bunch, the winner is gonna be that Gucci cologne. That Gucci cologne is definitely gonna be the winner. But I must go ahead and say that, again, these two fragrances are not, to me, they are not mass appeal. So I can't just sit here and say that a lot of y'all are gonna find this as gas. I do think that a select few of y'all would enjoy this, especially from how y'all comment on the videos and let me know what y'all have already bought. This one is gonna be one of those to where if you get a decant, you might be better off just getting like a 10 ml decant and letting that rock and seeing how you feel about that compared to just buying a full bottle. That might be the case for both of these, honestly, because that cherry note in the opening can be a little off-putting, and I can see how the Gucci cologne might not have the body or the notes that some of y'all are looking for in y'all fragrances. But for me, winner, chicken fucking dinner, man. I'm rocking with these. These are two nice pickups, man. Again, shout out to my guy Danny for the birthday present, man. Thank you again. I know it's early, but my guy always looking out, so thank you, fam. And to my people watching, what do y'all think about these two fragrances? Do you have them in your collection? How do you rock them? Are they everyday style fragrances for you or more so situational? Let us know down in the comment section so we can help somebody out. But with all that being said, we about to get up out of here. I hope y'all have a great day. I hope y'all have a phenomenal day. Stay on your square. Stay on your purpose. Don't let nobody take you off of it, fam. D4G, truly blessed, destined for greatness. We out.